welcome to all the classic car enthusiasts, mini guys. Max has just retook the head and now he's just finishing off the valve clearances. I think this is the last one or two, and then we'll put it on and we'll crank it over for you, hopefully. So, yes. So we have the clutch has been bled now, brakes have been bled. Little issue with it, which I'll point out. One of the lines, the one going down to the front right hand side, one's a metric and one's an AF onto the brake balance here. So, where are we? Down there. Let me just see it. Anyway, so. Okay. I'll pop it out, yeah?
Yep.
We need to adjust that handbrake, don't we? So, I'll let you do the cranking. So, yeah. Sounds sweet, doesn't it? Sounds nice. Does sound sweet, pretty quiet. So there you go, guys. So there you go, she's up and running. And there's still a few bits to go, and there's no air filter on, the vacuum pipes are not on, and we've had to put the old distributor back, as you can see there, because a piece of Chinese shit I got didn't work, and it was hunting quite bad and backfiring. Anyway, thanks for watching in, and we'll see you in a couple of days. It's just nice, short and sweet, but she's running! Hooray! Bye!